In this video I will talk about how high Ethena will go in the 2024-25 bull market. Ethena is a very new coin which got released a few days ago and which is pumping to the upside. I will share my price prediction with long and short term analysis. So let's go straight into the content. Ethena is on place 80 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.3 billion. The market cap of Ethena is right now very high for a coin that got released because the project got backed by Binance and also got launched on Binance. So as you can see, it got released on bigger exchanges and also more big exchanges. And this of course is a very bullish sign. Of course this is a very bullish sign because if the coin got released on bigger exchanges like Binance, the chance that much money flows into this coin, especially from retailers, is very high. And as you can see, the coin is just pumping to the upside since the release 2 days ago. But we have to say the circulating supply is just 9.5%, and this is of course not a really good sign because much of the supply is coming in the next years, and if the supply is increasing more than the demand is increasing, then the price will drop. But if we have a look at the details on Ethena, you can see that the coins for the early investors and for the team is just released in 1 year on the 2nd April of 2025. So of course the circulating supply is not a bullish sign of 9.5%, but it will not affect the price of Ethena in the coming year. And if we have a look at the funding insights, you can see that we have large partners like Binance, Dragonfly or Maelstrom. So Ethena is backed by very large partners. And of course this is a very bullish sign. So I personally think that Ethena has a lot of potential to the upside for this year because, as I said, Ethena is backed by large partners and like big exchanges like Binance, and much retail money is now coming into Ethena, and the whales can't sell right now because it just unlocked in 1 year. So this is a very bullish sign. And if you want to buy Ethena, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies to trade at spot and futures. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus on top. So feel free to use the link in the description. And if we now have a look at the technical analysis, you can also see that the coin just released a few days ago, but we are seeing this bullish trend to the upside on the hourly time frame. You can see that we are building higher lows and higher highs all the way. So I think the chance is higher that we will see even higher prices in the near future and continue the bullish trend. And to calculate the next potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the latest swing low. And if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1.04. So from the prices right now to this next price target, we would have potential of 10%. So I think this is the next really interesting price target, the realistic one. Of course, the chance for a price discovery and even higher prices is there, but of course the coin is very new and we have to see how it will evolve in the next time. So if you're not invested right now in Ethena, and if you think that the project has a lot of potential to the upside in the near future or in the long future, then I think this kind of prices are already a great chance because we are in a bullish structure and the chance that we could see a price discovery from this point is very high. But if we would see a move to lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because this demand zone was the start of this push to the upside we made in higher high. And of course this is a confirmed higher low. So the chance if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is very high that we could see a bullish continuation just from this zone. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like Ethena, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, Ethena is a very new project with a very high potential because Ethena got released a few days ago and the market cap is already on $1.3 billion, and this project is backed by large partners and launched on Binance, and much retailers are now coming into the market and the whales can just dump this project in 1 year. Of course we have to see how the price will evolve in the next days and weeks for Ethena, but I could imagine that we will see much higher prices in the near future, and I think a market cap of $5 to $10 billion is very realistic for this bull run, and I think a price target of $5 to $8 for this project is very realistic. Of course it's always hard to say exact prices when the project is launching, but if we would reach this potential price target of $8 from the prices right now, we would have a potential of 750%. But of course this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but I see a lot of potential in this project. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.